Hello everyone, if you're facing this error in Microsoft Store with the error code 0x80073D02, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix that annoying error on your Microsoft Store. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here settings, and then you're going to go into apps here, click install the apps then, and here you're going to scroll down until you find gaming services. So here it is. Click onto these three dots, go into advanced options, and just click repair on here. Wait for it to repair the app. Once it's done, click reset. And once it's done resetting the app, now what you're going to do is you're going to close this menu up. You're going to open up your start menu again. You're going to write here run. You're going to write wsreset.exe. And after that, what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that your date and time are synced with the internet. So you're going to right click on your date and time. Going to adjust date and time, click sync now on here, wait for it to sync in. After that, just go ahead and restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, now when you open up Microsoft Store again, you'll see that you won't get that error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.